Welcome back to Nóò Limits. Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood storyteller here to take you on a whirlwind journey through the evolution of a digital giant. Today I'm talking about none other than YouTube. Think about it. Cat videos, makeup tutorials, epic fails, and everything in between. YouTube isn't just a website, it's a cultural titan. But ever wondered how this video sharing platform climbed to the top of the world? Let's hit rewind and dive deep into the fascinating saga of YouTube. It all kicked off in a modest garage back in 2005. Picture this, three PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen and Jord Karim, sparked the idea of YouTube. What was the aim? To craft a space where anyone could upload and share videos without a hassle. The very first video, Me at the Zoo, by Jord Karim, just 19 seconds long, but it was the small step that led to a giant leap. Fast forward to a year later and YouTube was a buzzing hive, hosting over 65,000 videos a day and pulling in millions of eyeballs. Google saw this magic unfolding and snapped up YouTube for a jaw-dropping $1.65 billion in 2006. Just like that, YouTube was in the major leagues. But YouTube was just getting started. It kept on evolving, rolling out the partner program, igniting the dreams of creators to earn through their videos, introducing live streaming to beam events across the globe in real time, and launching YouTube Originals to spice up the menu with premium content. Today, YouTube stands as a vibrant global village. It's the stage where anyone can broadcast their story, share their passion, and unleash their creativity. It's where education meets entertainment, where curiosity meets creation. From budding creators carving out careers to viewers discovering new passions and skills, YouTube is the meeting point of cultures and ideas. So, what's next in this saga? YouTube continues to morph and adapt, constantly redefining our video consumption and interaction. The future? It's a canvas, waiting for us to paint it. YouTube has not just changed the game, it's made sure it will never be the same again. And that, my friends, is the ongoing revolution that is YouTube. Stick around, who knows what's next? But one thing's for sure, the impact of YouTube on our lives is just beginning. We're in this together, exploring the future, unearthing the potential of YouTube. Your participation, your engagement, your curiosity fuels this journey. Your comments, your likes, your shares and subscriptions, they all matter. Thanks for watching.